HEAD performance. Born out of revolutionizing how we ski and play tennis, HEAD has constantly pushed athletic equipment into the modern era. For all levels of play, HEAD offers nothing but the best tennis equipment on the market. Great for beginners. The HEAD Ti Conquest recreational tennis racket is an ideal choice for a wide age range of casual players. The oversized 108 head creates a larger sweet spot, great for players still mastering precision. Headlight advantage. The adult tennis racket has a headlight balance which helps reduce vibration and aids in stability when hitting the ball. Durable titanium. Made with a durable Nano Titanium technology, the lightweight tennis rackets are built to last. Dimensions. Frame weight, 9.7 ounces, head size, 108 inches, length, 27 inches, grip size, 4.25 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Great value $19.99. Perfect for keeping at the rental or kids' summer camp. Pay attention to handle size. Very important if a beginner. Do some research or get fitted at a sporting goods store first.